Morning.
Good morning, good morning. Manuel, you in the trade, my man?
Yeah, I'm up 70 pips at the moment.
Nice.
Taking partials already.
On Goldie?
Yeah.
On a 5 minute?
Yeah, I had a trend line and then it on the 5 minute it created a resistance, dropped, and then broke above the resistance and the trend line. I retested it and then puffed up. So I got an entry session style when it dropped down, and then when it started to create the high.
Where's your trend line though? Look, did you get in like here?
Oh, it goes from my previous resistance area, which is let me check, 1703.91 or 1704.02.
Yeah,
that one.
Yeah,
because if you push it from the previous high at 1700, the trend line that you get there is very, very small.
Shallow,
yeah, but it works, but it's very, very small.
Your boy, very nice.
Yep.
Well, there we got a closure above that came wick down. Yeah, can you see in the 3 minute? See the 1. Yeah, you've got a support forming right on it. Very nice.
I wonder what's gonna happen in NFP because they say bad numbers. So I've been reading about bad numbers as well. Yeah.
It was a 5 minute trend line as well as a break of previous 1 hour high. Nice trade, also got in on that. Nice. Yeah, beautiful. Very good for the morning. Let's take a look here. Morning. So, looking like GJ is on some smoke right now. Holy shit, is he yesterday? Pushed all the way back up. And hopefully we may continue. So we'll start on GJ. Let's just take a look at the news as well. It's big news today at 1:30, so it's going to be interesting. Let me just put that on actually. We got some big news. But apart from that, I think we're okay. So, as you can still see, we're still in this kind of pendant thing that GJ has been holding for a while now. And we're just really waiting for this to break to get some clean zones. But this is what we're still, we're still holding pretty hard, right? So eventually at one point it is going to break it. But right now it isn't at this moment in time. So you just got to be able to see if there's any clean zones. If there's not, then, leave it alone. There was one clean zone yesterday, which we was looking at, which is some nice trades. But apart from that, there's nothing else really. So the daily time frame is bullish already. The previous one's engulfed this previous one as well from the 31st, so it's looking good. That's making some support. 4 hour time frame, yeah, you can see over here it's still holding this trend line. So if you took buys in GJ before, you probably, closing some there was probably pretty reasonable. The 4 hour time frame right now is coming back down, pushing down. So it's tapped 162,400, kind of went a little bit reaction from that level, as you can see here on the hourly. Take a look at the 30 minute and the 15. So 30 and the 15 Okay, let's take a look at the buys above. So yeah, I mean 162, 100 we rejected it. We actually came up to this resistance there, right here, which makes sense because that's a resistance here, it's a support there. So buys above 162, 200 would be quite nice, because then if you get a buy there, we've got a clean really zone to 162, 500. See that? See how that zone is much cleaner than before. So that's pretty good, man. I'm quite happy with that. So I'll have buys above there. Buys above 162, 220. Very good, very good, very good. And then for the sells, yeah, sells. Well, there's resistance / support this area here. It's pretty choppy though. So probably break of Asian lows, probably below 161.630. So then maybe continue back down to 161. But I'm really, really hoping that we don't really come back in this zone, because the price just moves so bad in that area. So yeah, Brian in the building today. Hello, Mr. Bry.
Hello, hello.
Good morning, good morning.
How's it going?
Good, good, man. Seen GJ pushing up yesterday. Oof.
Yeah, crazy. From that double bottom. I sold now. I impulsed the lows at 162. I got my 10 there.
On the what time frame? On the
just the 15 when it took that support out. I just impulsed that support.
Yeah, nice.
Because if we're leaving 162 again, I know we're gonna range.
Yeah.
So
for sure. Especially after seeing the hourly as well. Yeah, man. This trend line is holding quite nicely, I think. Yeah, it's pretty close to holding.
I watched that from last night, that 24-hour chart at extreme. Or as I was saying, just leave GJ alone because of that daily pennant that we've had for a while.
Yeah.
So at least, like, I mean, I class those guys as like super professionals. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And if they're saying the same thing, that means I'm very close to being fucking professional. You know what I mean?
Yeah. For sure. That makes sense, right?
Yeah, but some of those oaks are good, eh?
Oh, good. Yes.
Very good traders.
Oh, yes. So we'll take a look at gold as well. We'll take a look at Goldie. Max EJ flip. Okay, let's take a look at EJ as well. EJ flip. Oh, for the 30-minute highs. Yeah, we haven't really closed. We've closed above. It's kind of a rejection wick. Hourly's also closed above. And yeah, it looks okay. I just don't really like buying the highs right now, to be honest. I'd rather wait for some support first and then continue bullish, I think. Right, let's take a look at gold. So on the daily time frame, we're clearly very bearish. The daily didn't close below support, so we could hold this. Okay, it's a very, very strong level of support, as you found out yesterday. Gold went straight to the T for where we wanted the sells. So it was all the way from, I think it was, yeah, 1700. So like, I think in these areas, 1685, I think was the one that I wanted. So I hit that first, which was nice. 4-hour time frames. Look, so we've had a big bearish structure. Now we're getting some bullish candles, but can you see they're very small, right? They're not actually pushing much, you know, they're not flying back up, which suggests that we're probably just retracing to then continue back bearish later on. Because they're weak bullish. They're quite weak. Because like one bearish candle like that pretty much is all of this move. So it's only retracing a little bit to potentially continue down later on, looks like. Take a look at the hourly time frame. Hourly previous support, we've actually just tapped at 1702 and we're starting to reject from there. So that also looks good. I think the 30-minute time frame, if you close below somewhere like 16.99.9, I think that could be quite nice. Then get the sells back in the zone and just sell it off. So that's probably what I'm going to be targeting. Huh?
Sorry. Good morning. Yeah, gold is sells all over because the Fed yesterday made some announcement, and they're planning on keeping raising the interest rates way into 2023 already. So they keep manipulating the dollar.
Shock.
It's gonna blow up eventually.
Yep.
You mean it's gonna crash eventually?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sure is.
It's already blown up, yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Hopefully USD never crashes. Because the way my payouts work at the moment, I only get to like fucking nearly 2 to 1. We're like 73 cents to the US dollar. It's great.
Yeah, but the BRICS countries, they're up to something, man. They're all buying gold, and Russia is investing millions in the Chinese currencies.
Yeah, they're trying to make
yeah.
the currency for all. I think there's 4 other countries, isn't it? Russia, China, is Nigeria,
Brazil, South Africa.
Yeah.
South Africa, yeah.
So
Once
BRICS
again,
is Brazil. Which one is I for? I don't know.
There's
India.
a few. I know we were listed as one.
Is it India?
Yeah, because you have could be.
I think it is. The South Africans.
Those
China is in there too.
crazy fuckers.
Oh, yesterday I was watching it. The Great White. It was a thing on Disney Plus. It's about great whites versus killer whales, and it was all filmed like in South Africa.
Oh yeah, we've got a big problem with that now. Killer whales are cowing the sharks.
Yeah, but it says that they're doing some scientific experiment, and they've realized that they've got evidence to show that when a great white dies, it releases these oils, and it basically tells you the great whites to fucking flee. So they found out that every single time a killer whale killed a great white, all the great whites in the area would just fuck off.
Yeah, well, that's true. We actually didn't have sharks for like 2-3 years in some of our areas.
Yeah.
Now they're back.
Yeah.
So it could be that for sure.
Yeah. They fucking bully them, the killer whales. My days.
Yeah, they thrash them, mate.
Mad. So yeah, we'll see. I'm not gonna lie. I'm pretty much liking the sells, either to break this trend line or to break this trend line later on. Do you have these, Manuel? Or anyone? The 5 minutes.
Yeah, my trend line starts from all the way from the bottom.
Yeah. Very nice. So yeah, I think GJ buys above would be quite nice. 220, 230 around those areas. But to be honest with you, I'm still happy for it to do its thing in today. Do your thing. Yeah, there's only Euro stuff this morning as well. Previous 1 hour also closed at no top wicks, so we're back to no wicks September. So yeah, I saw that little trend line here from there to there. I just didn't really know it didn't come back and retest it properly. So let's look at the 30 here. 30's rejecting quite hard. How's everyone on YouTube? What was the score yesterday? Did you guys take any trades? Take any trades?
Fuck YouTube. They was here at the bastards, the rats.
Yeah, I think the one GJ one that I liked yesterday it's still impulsive, but it was quite nice with the rejection. This one here closed below, then started to kind of fuck around, came back up, then closed bearish. Next one made a top wick, and a break of that low was nice. That was nice. There was where else here? Yeah, we talked about that W, didn't we?
Yeah.
That one there, that one was nice. So clean. That's beautiful. So if you go in on that level there, stop us below there. Yeah, like 32 pips. Holy shit. Very nice. So far this week I've had 2 50 pip gold trades, 1 minus 4 pip gold, and 1 minus, I think 16 on GJ. The good thing is gold is double risk, boy. Let's take a look then. So yeah, I mean EJ as well. There's quite a lot of news this morning. We're just gonna make it a little bit harder to trade, I think. Yeah, French budget balance, German trade balance has already been done. Spanish employment change, quite a lot. Quite a lot. So, how long left? 6 minutes left of this 30. Oh, this could be quite nice. This could be quite nice for the cells. So hopefully this weekend, I mean, GJ can maybe get out of this zone, but I still think it's got a while, right? It needs to break above like 163, I think, to get past its first little pendant.
I'm still bearish actually with it. But yeah, it could probably go up more first and then come down.
Yeah.
Who knows? Who knows? We don't know.
Just yet. You're in an EJ cell. Ooh. EJ cell. That's rejecting the highs. Oh, based in the 3 minute.
Get ready to buy. Come to the daily flip. 8:45.
Is that where it's an EJ?
GJ.
Oh, GJ.
8:45 then.
Yeah.
Same as ours.
Yes.
Where would you rock your stops then, Finn, if you take it?
Yeah, thumb suck 'em.
Right there, 800.
800.
I even saved it as Finn's daily flip.
Trying them out.
I made it orange to suit his hair.
At least I've got hair.
God. My days. Let's take a look here. So yeah, it's a little waiting game. Remember, trading as a whole is for the most part just waiting. Wait. Is the reason why you use the browser version of TradingView? No. I mean, I could probably get the app. This is just what I've always done, so. Waiters, not traders. Well, you get paid to wait, man. Paid to wait.
As guys were talking last night on that stream, guys with a new MacBook have got the app for MT5.
Yeah.
Okay, so is that what you did?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
But then it's weird that you still can't use magic keys. You know what I mean?
Yeah. It just hasn't optimized.
Imagine if Roger just did one for magic keys. He'd make another 500 million.
Yeah, I know. True. What's good stuff, last Maz? What up? So next week we'll be back in action, man. This week for some reason I just couldn't get out of bed, man. I was killing it. I think the holiday is still hurting me a little bit. I gotta eat some more veg and shit. So yeah, we'll see in 3 minutes time or so. Yeah, Goldie's gonna close bearish. Interesting. I'd prefer to close below this trend line, like here, but you know, you could get it a little bit more aggressive. But I think I'm probably gonna wait for this one. We'll see how this one closes below. We'll see. What are you looking for GJ here, Bri?
No. Leave that thing alone. I kind of got the same as you, Max. 161.878 or below.
Yeah.
But then also we can maybe come down, but it's just choppy, right? Are you on? I'm on 50. Just check your 15. Let me just see if your 15 is the same as mine. Yeah, it's kind of similar. But mine's one. I want a nice closure below 161.878. But then we got to cross those dailies. That's the only thing.
Yeah. I like it below 639. Yeah. I don't want to avoid this shit.
I do have 161.587 and lower, so it's below the Asian range.
Yeah.
So it's.
Yeah, boy. I think my next and last trade will be at news. Maybe. Vincent, did you close out some of your gold?
It's still running.
Still running. Nice. Very nice.
It almost tapped me at my full take profit, but came into. Let's see how many pips it was.
1689, shit.
8 pips. 8.8 pips from my full
No.
take profit. Oh, but it's okay. I mean, it's gonna go down, so might even move my final take profit even lower. You know, keep riding it. As long as it pays, why not? Because it can go all the way. If I zoom out here on the 4 hour, it will. There's high probability it will go to 1682.
Yeah. I saw that one on the hourly.
I'll probably move my final take profit there. And I just keep following with my stop loss.
Yeah.
Current stop loss is at 1707, so it's already a nice chunk.
Yeah, boy. Very nice. So, GJ's coming back down to the daily.
There's a nice short that from 162. I just had this hunch that's clean to drop 162. Let's see what happens, and then fuck, it's mad.
Yeah, so the 30 closure. So that trade there that you took there is actually a celery on the 30.
Yeah, but I just wanted, yeah, fair enough. It's the support, right?
Yeah, nice. The 5, yeah. Right, I want 62 again, boy. Morning, Ron. How's Ron doing? Let's take a look at this. How's 15 look? Yeah, it's getting the rejection already. It's good. It's good. Get that rejection, boy. Get that rejection. So yeah, we just gotta wait a little bit. Patience pays, man. The amount of times I just sat on Raj's stream and just sat there for fucking 3 hours and took nothing. Did it so many times, you gotta wait. It's closed at 880. You liking the drive, Bri?
Close.
Below?
Yeah, we can see. Let's see what happens. See how far it pushes up. Because that zone of mine is a previous 1 hour structure, but like extending far left. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like it can even stem through to 1st of August. So it's a far structure.
Yeah.
Line. But then again, if you look at the 1H, it's break and retest, right? So I don't want to jump into
that's the only thing.
So if we get some lower time frame support, I could maybe go up to 162 and more again. But then you look at the 30-minute, you got a double top neckline. So it could retest 162 properly and then just tank again. Then you get those 2 FU candles on the 30-minute.
Yeah, boy.
So it's again between a break and retest and then a retest for either direction.
That's happened so much recently. Because this hourly still has 27 minutes left. It's got no top wick on trading view. So yeah, yesterday we took an EJ trade as well, guys. And we literally just gave up halfway through. We're like, yeah, you know what? It's not pushing, so let's just get out. Where was it? This one here. Closure below, made a beautiful top wick. Got in the flip, came down to 230, so like 5-6 pips. And then we started to range right our entry. So we decided to get out. Literally, I would say 5-10 minutes after we got out, we can continue back up and then close bullish. So that was a good little save. Actually pushed down later on. That was a bit a pain. I had to go and retest first, then it continued down. You got 22 likes now. Yeah, make sure you like the stream, guys. Like the stream and share it, all that good stuff. It will get exciting. The time goes on just right now. Right now, it's hard for conversation because it's just wait patiently.
Yeah, true story, yeah. You can only rip thin that much, you know what I mean?
Yeah, exactly. But like back in the day, man, it was just easy. Like you should just get on and go, right, this is where I'm taking my trade, and then we just vibed and just wait until it happened. Whereas now you kind of like, where's GJ gonna go? It's like GJ is gonna go nowhere.
Yeah, if you want excitement, just open a trade on GJ. Doesn't matter which direction.
Yes,
It's gonna get exciting anyway.
Yeah. For sure.
Or for those that want to work on their emotions, just enter something on GJ and see if you can handle the drawdown.
Yeah.
No
yeah.
stop loss.
Today's Freaky Friday kamikaze thought ideas, huh?
Yeah.
So GJ's coming back up. Tap this 162. Be interesting to see how it reacts there. If you come and tap there and then retrace, then that'll be quite a nice sell for at a 30-minute. NFP date, yeah. I think for the most part we all agree as a group that I think it's the bank holiday in US on Monday.
Oh, long weekend.
Yeah.
It's like that every weekend in the States, isn't it? Lazy bastards.
Yeah,
Where's
we
the
do 6
OPEC?
paid holidays a year?
Yeah, exactly.
I thought we said there's big news like next week.
OPEC. OPEC is.
On what day?
Let me just double check. Monday all day. OPEC 5th. That's the
there,
oil.
yeah.
Yeah, but mine's red, eh?
Yeah. Oh, yours is red.
Mine's red.
Is that red, or am I just being
Yours is
colorblind?
orange.
All right. Shit. Oh. It's giving you more warning and not me.
It's OPEC meeting, and then orange is OPEC JMMC meeting. So I've got 2 for Monday.
Ah. The fuck? On the same website?
Yeah, FOREX Factory.
It's retarded.
That's your PC boy. It's that autistic thing, that autistic fish dizzy. That's that autistic fish tank.
Let's all tune in on Raj's NFP stream and gamble weekly profits if there's any lols. If there's any. If there's any. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. I haven't updated my September ones yet, but this week so far, what was the 29th? So I've taken these 2 trades, so 3.75, and then I had a -4 on gold as well. 1 second. So this week, I've actually had quite a good week so far. Cause then 3%. It's not bad. 3%. I only took like 3 or 4 trades. That's pretty good. GJ's tapped 162.
Yeah.
Interesting. Stop loss would be 12 pips. $12 pepperonis. So you're gonna go for that if it flips, Bri? Let's look at the hourly.
I'm just worried about our daily flip and Finn's daily flip. But if we get the push right, then we've still got the open candle, right? Then we can see. So I'd like a closure and then see what the next one does.
Yeah,
Or
it's
get
just
involved
this
on
break
the
and
next one,
retest
you know
this
what I mean?
area here is just gonna be hard for us.
Yeah. So let's wait for open and let's see what it gives us.
What a nice closure. You still look very red, man. Probably just tanned.
No, man. Probably just had a deep. You probably just slipped on your face.
Red. What about this?
Or remix the colors to hide his yellowness.
Yeah. That's what I'm doing. Typical. Beginner here, is trading after NFP result a good idea or avoiding it is better? I mean, you could trade after, like half an hour after, but I think if you're a beginner, then I don't think it's the right time to trade at all, to be honest. If you're a beginner, just watch all the retards, just go on like Raj's stream, watch everyone else taking the trades and stuff, and just sit back and just analyze and just watch it. I think the one thing you shouldn't do as a beginner is take trades in news, because if you think about it, if you're a beginner, no offense, but when you're starting to be a beginner, half the trades you're going to take are going to be shit, right? And you need to start seeing that they're going to be shit, right? You start to give you like a little warning sign that, this trade didn't work because it was very, very bad. Whereas if you use all your bullets in NFP and just take a random trade and just lose it, you're not actually gaining any information or knowledge from it, because you're just trading news, man. News is just a guessing game. So I would just save your bullets and take trades that in the normal times that could be quite realistic. So
unless you based your entry off like an untested and it actually plays out, then it's
a
little bit of a little bit more than guessing. But yeah, it's the chance.
Yeah, like that gold buy I did in when was it? Was it June? The one that Sashin was so baffled about.
Yeah.
Tapped me in on 1 pip, but it took like 2 hours of analysis before I find the whole zone.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
But it paid off. It ran 300
sure.
pips,
Sure.
and I had like a 7 pip stop loss. So, but that doesn't come from a couple of days or weeks of trading.
Yeah, exactly.
I mean, not to be bragging, but it just takes time. And still, I don't do it every time. Right? It's good to have some fun now and then. But,
I'm gonna go for it today. Fuck that. But I'll go on NAS. I'll go for NAS at the NYSE.
Yeah, don't trade your NFP if you're not experienced. Yeah, it's just gonna, you probably, when you're a beginner, you're probably gonna lose all your money anyway, and that's just gonna make you lose your money quicker without actually learning much. that's the thing.
You're gonna learn something. It's not to trade news if you're not.
Well, yeah.
You don't know what you're doing.
Yeah.
So go for it. You do it once. And
do it once and realize.
Yeah. You shouldn't have.
I mean, the good thing about trading news for once is, as long as it's a low thing, is that you realize what spread is, you realize what slippage is, you realize what lag is.
Yeah. You realize that over-risking is not a good idea.
Yeah.
Leverage can kill you in a second. Stuff like that. It's very valuable.
Yeah. Oh, yes. I want to see The greatest NFP of 2022 will be live streamed. Oh, yes, Roger.
Yeah, you said I saw earlier he's going to be on it.
Oh, you'll take him. You'll go for it.
Myself and Sashin traded I think it was the FOMC one when Roger was on.
Mm-hmm.
And we took entries there.
Mm-hmm.
Ones that made sense to us, they're not all big dollar banks,
Yeah. That's good shit. You're going to learn, alright. Yeah. Beginning here, trade news once and lost 60% of my account in one trade. Just don't. That's your mate Hein. Had you got 50 pips slip? Yeah. Yes. He did. Go buys if it closes above 15 res. Take a look. I just don't trust the buys, man. If you look on the hourly, you can see it pretty easily. I think for me, buys are going to be much easier above these areas. Okay, I still think this is the area for it to cause some resistance, then it continue back down. So the overall bias is pretty bearish. So yeah, we'll wait until this hourly closes. I'm going to quickly go to the toilet. Have 2 minutes. Talk away as you want.
Seems like everyone is very chatty today.
Yeah.
Wow, that's unbelievable. I've been talking that much shit, wondering why no one's fucking answering, and I was
Are you
muted.
serious?
You're muted.
My mum came in, and I
Makes
talked to her. I
absolute
forgot
sense.
to unmute.
Listen, has Caitlin kicked Max to the spare bed or what?
Wouldn't you? He's dreaming. He's probably going, oh, sell now.
It looks like one of those pregnancy pillows. His pillow. This boy's gut. I'm gonna tune him now when he gets back.
Did anyone see what Conor McGregor said about Hezbollah today?
He's gonna drop kicking him or something.
Yeah. He wants to score a 3-pointer with him or something. That shit was funny. Hezbollah's a legend.
I love that little guy.
How funny is it when he just tries to fight Khabib all the time? Like, that
good.
guy would absolutely shit whip you, bro. Settle. Bye, GJ.
Oh, that's retested 162 like 3 times already on the 30.
Bye, GJ.
You want to buy GJ? It's between a rock and a hard place. It's either break and retest or it's retesting that double top at key level.
Bye, GJ. Called him a smelly inbred gypsy. Great success.
Go.
Hey, Max.
What?
Is that one of those pregnancy pillows so that you can sleep comfy for your keg?
Yeah, that's. Mate, I embrace the pregnancy pillow. It's the best pillow you can get, man. I fucking hug that shit. Mate, it's my pregnancy pillow. It's not Caitlin's. Caitlin can't have that shit. It's fucking mine. Buys above 1703.5 on 30-minute or what? Yeah. Yeah, it could be okay. We get into this traffic, but yeah, I think it could be quite nice. We'll see. Sweet inbred gypsy.
We're talking about Hezbollah and Conor McGregor.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
That's what I want to do to Brian. Drop kick him.
You break your foot, mate.
Drop kick.
I can kick in that big helmet, I would.
Let's
I wonder
just.
why.
Huh?
Oh, sorry, you go.
There you go.
No, I was just going to say about price.
What?
Fucking not doing a great deal, is it?
No. No. Gold's pushing up quite a lot though.
Yep.
Manuel, you still in this?
31 pips.
Nice. What was your actual entry? Because for me, if I was going to take a trade like this...
1700.13.
Yeah, so as it flipped?
Yeah.
Yeah. Makes sense. Stop loss below here?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. I'm working on them in the back distance. Good shit. That's the one that Joe quite likes as well. I think Joey boy is quite likes them at the moment, so that's good shit. Very nice. They wouldn't know what a drop kick is. So yeah, I mean, this month for me personally, when I go through this, I'm gonna take my time. I'm not gonna take as many trades. I'm gonna take the setups that are there, and if the setups that are there, especially on like GJ and stuff, and they've got bigger stops, then I'm still taking them. I'm just gonna do percentage risk, because that's what I need, boy.
Pussy.
Pussy.
If you were a real man, you'd just send 4x lots. Just load up 40 lots, Max. Trust me, you'll be fine.
If I put 40 lot on GJ in any direction right now, it's gonna lose.
I reckon if I had my own funds, I would over risk like crazy.
Yeah.
You do, mate. That's the thing. You gotta. That's why I just stick to certain setups.
Yeah, that's why the funded reels are good when you can get it. You know, it's good stuff.
Yeah. Problem is, I'd have a $20,000 account with fucking 10% risk on.
Yeah.
You mean so we should call you Jason from now on?
I don't know. Seriously, I'd probably be popping 20 lotters.
Yeah.
We grabbed that quick gold buy yesterday. It makes 2% on like 11 pips.
Yeah, that was quite a lot from Jace.
Yeah, but he loads up 10 lotters on gold sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes, but he's not used to it, right? So it's if you're used to it, you do it continuously. You know what I mean?
Well, did anyone buy on GJ? Because that was about 5 pips ago. We're fucking going up in the dust, mate. Up in the clouds.
You reckon?
I
No.
bought it.
I reckon you're gonna cry.
Did ya?
Called it in the chat on my trend line.
Good lad.
Oh, I thought he bought it because I said to buy.
Do you think the volume dies off in September or in general? I generally think this is my thing now. I think you've got to look at what's going around, in the world right now. It doesn't matter what month it is. There's always a trading saying. I forgot what the saying was, but it's something about in the summer, go on holiday because it's not as aggressive. It's not as doesn't move as much as the later months. But for the most part, it's just what's going on in the world right now. If you're a company and the government's all fucking lying, saying, oh, it's going well, or this and that, and if they're trying to, expand or do something different, do you think it's the right time to do it right now where their fucking, currency in the next couple of months could be significantly different? No. So then, you know, you're not gonna buy anything. So they just sit here, and this is why it's not moving a lot. Because why would you buy something where in the next couple months you know it could be fucking 1,000 times higher, 1,000 times lower? That's a lot of risk. So they just sit in their asses and wait until something gets better, right? So for the most part, the reason why it isn't moving as much is because they're all sitting in their hands as well, you know. And the only thing that's really moving is gold, right? And that's why all the trades that are coming from are gold. So yeah, we did a simulation session yesterday for November 2020, and my days, it was a Donvo special, man. Every 30-minute closure above or below was just a fucking rocket. It was nice, very nice. It's good to see. But yeah, you just get what you're given. The good thing is normally when you're trading and it's just your hobby, you know, you can just chill about. For the most part, after this, right, I'm not really doing any work outside of hours. Like before, man, I was grafting so much, putting the work in. But right now, there's nothing to put in because it's just bad price action. So then you focus on other things, man. Focus on other side hustles. Focus on other things that you can do in your day. At the moment, I'm looking to partner with one of my mates from home to buy another rental property and do it up together. No, just, you know, keeping yourself busy. If you've got no money and you don't have the capital to do stuff like that, then, you know, start something. What things do, you know, makes you passionate about, and then go for them. You know, a TikTok about something that you enjoy. There's loads of TikTokers now that I've watched, and they weren't here like 6 months ago, and all they do is maybe talk about football, and they have a little podcast now. But, you know, do something that you enjoy, and then, you know, as time goes on, it's not a job. It's just a little hobby that you get, and then maybe later on it pays you. And that's why I was thinking, man, I could do some gaming shit, man, because I'm like speed, man. I fucking rage. Especially if it's competitive, like if it's something I'm playing against someone. Oh man, I just want to win. So we may do something like that in the future. That'll be fun. Selling May and going away. Yeah, that's the quote. Sell May and go away. So it's a known thing. But I do think it's mainly just to the whole world right now. The current 1 hour on GJ flips, I'll buy 20 lots. Steve. If you think, like, yeah, I mean, actually, right, if you think about this, we'll talk about this time, right? If we actually write of, like, what is going on in the world right now, what is going on, right? We've got well, the first thing is a fucking war. Second,
is it really? It's not like
second thing is inflation is getting very, very high.
No. If you believe the Fed, there's no inflation.
Oh, yeah, no inflation.
There's no inflation. No, economy is booming.
No inflation.
Everybody's gonna be fine.
And this is why interest rates are going up.
Yeah.
Interest rates are going up. But because there's no inflation, I don't know why they'd put their interest rates up. Housing market now is starting to have a little bit of a turning point. So that's why I'm starting to look to buy more houses, because the housing market's starting to turn soon. So I'll be ready to monopoly play that bitch quickly. I mean, there's fucking loads of stuff. I mean, government. So for GJ, government turmoil, you could say. I don't know how to spell that fucking word, but anyway, government fuck up. Let's say fuck up.
That is haram.
Turmoil.
More money in the jar. It's not haram.
Yeah, government fuck up, haram. This is very strictly haram. Right? For example, the government in this pair right now for GJ, they're fucking arguing about who's going in when they really should be arguing. They should be not arguing at all. They should be just helping, right? Then we've got energy bills, energy crisis. right? No one can pay their fucking bills anymore because why? COVID fuck up.
3 years.
3 years, no one doing anything. And now everyone's complaining that they can't pay the bills. Yes, because the government locked you in the room for fucking 3 years. How do you expect that? Okay, and then after that, this is why. Like, there's so much shit going on. So...
Yeah, let's not forget all those sanctions they put on Russia, which are causing electricity prices and gas prices to rise incredibly, which leaves a lot of people in big trouble.
Sanction on Russia. So, and then we're talking about crypto. So the whole crypto space in terms of your own funds. I think governments are starting to track onto that and making their own. And then we've got this whole thing of these other countries removing US dollar as reserve currency. So there's so much shit going on. Like, when you're coming to the markets here, you got to realize that this is what you're dealing with. All of this shit. So if it isn't moving...
there are people who say that fundamentals don't matter. Remember the guy a while ago? Oh, I don't believe in fundamentals. Nope. Good luck.
Yeah, fundamentals is everything. We just come second with the technicals when we get a good direction, right? So energy bills nowadays are literally haram. It's funny though, man. That did you learn from Donvo? New here and stream quite similar. No, I learned from Raja. I think Don did too. I learned things from Raja, but I learned Raja and Ted. But very similar. This is why my stream looks similar to Don, because I pretty much copied his and he knows it. I just couldn't be asked to make it. His is nice. I'm like, yeah, it's pretty good. It looks clean. Doesn't have too much bullshit around. I quite like it. Anyone doing the don't pay UK thing? Or is that just not paying energy bills? Yeah, I think I've seen that on TikTok.
That's gotta work out well.
Yeah, well, I mean, it's something.
Jesus.
I mean, they can't sue everyone at once, I suppose.
Oh, they can. Let's not forget that the biggest shareholder in all energy companies is government.
Government, yeah.
So, yeah, houses are gonna get cheap if they keep up with that shit.
Mm-hmm. I think.
So what right does it give you as a consumer not to pay for something you've used? It's bullshit. You don't go to a bakery, take a loaf of bread and say, fuck you, it's too expensive, I'm going home without paying any of this fucking loaf. Yeah. That's bullshit, man. If you can't pay for what you use less or earn more. It's as simple as that.
Yeah, it's true, but it also doesn't help when you can't really, it's not in your control for it going up and down. And then the government have the audacity to come on a news station and go, oh, well, when you're boiling a kettle, just use a couple more seconds before it boils and that'll save a little bit of energy, or, charge your phone only in certain times or whatever. It's like, the only reason why we're in this fuck up is because of, COVID and the fucking wars. Like, it's not, it's just a bit like...
Yeah, it's true, but, yeah. It's like, it's a knife that cuts two cutting edges. I mean, on one side, everybody wants all the luxury and all the facilities, but it costs. Yeah, it's just how economy works. If you're fed up with that, go live in a fucking forest somewhere. Yeah, if you can find one where you can get kicked out, of course. But it's just the way the world works. Is it fair? No. Yeah, I'm not saying it's fair, but just the way it is. Yeah, and it's hard for a lot of people. I understand.
I think it's I think the only thing with it is it's the people that have just done a complete normal life. So you're thinking like a first world country, being like a nurse or something. You're gonna be you're gonna be respected. You're gonna have enough money to do things. Because you work hard, you work night shifts, and then when now they can't fucking afford to just live. It's like, oh really? Like, so you have to be fucking mega wealthy to actually be able to live now. It's like, in a first world country, it's just a bit like, oh, like, come on, can we not just sort this out?
Yeah. I know I'm
You know what I mean?
completely true on that. I mean, it's very unfair how it is. Yeah. And to all people starting trading, what we just said is just try to remember it, because this is why you need good risk management. Because in trading, it doesn't matter how fucked up the world is, how much money everything is gonna cost, because you can make it in trading. It doesn't matter if the economy is booming or collapsing. You can make money both ways, but you have to make money. Nobody's gonna kick you out of your houses. As long as you pay your bills and you make an income, try to keep trading going and do it safely, because you're gonna win in the end.
Yeah.
Because the whole thing with prices and economy, it's gonna get a lot worse before it gets better.
Yeah.
If you have an old kettle that takes ages to boil, it may cost you £20 to replace it. But if you get a new one, you'll save £10 a year
thanks, Boris.
year on your £10 a year every year
Holy
on your electricity
shit.
bill.
Oh, that's like half the price of a kettle.
Oh my.
If you have an old kettle,
Kettle's like 30 quid, Boris, you fucking dozy cunt. So it'll be net
If there's
£20
inflation
loss.
And if there's an inflation going on out of control, you don't want to encourage people to go out and spend even more.
Yeah.
So he's pretty dumb on that one, but hey, it's Boris. He's good entertainment.
Ah, God.
I know it's like when he comes on, it's
Well, he just doesn't have any clue. Do you know someone who might be running for government? What was his name? I think I saved it on TikTok. He's a Dragon's Den guy, but he does a lot of help with the community. What's his name? I think I liked it somewhere. What's his name? Try and find it. Dragons going for president. Going for what's it called? What's the fucking guy called? Jesus Christ! I've had a blank. Going for, huh?
Prime Minister.
Yeah, Prime Minister. Peter Jones, that's it. Peter Jones.
Peter Jones.
Yeah, Peter Jones. I think he did a thing on BBC, and people asked him. He goes, "Yeah, I think my wife's telling me to do it." Yeah, this guy here, Peter Jones. Because I think he's from an area which is a shithole, and he's also made money. So he has a bit of empathy. I think what you need in government is someone who has empathy. So they can see both sides. There's no point in having someone there who just can't see the other side. It doesn't make any sense. I think a lot of right-wing people as well are starting to see that, like, all these capitalist stuff actually isn't the best for us. For example, having a private, train sector, private everything is a little bit on the pissy side because you can't control it. Like our fuel and energy went up fucking ridiculously, but in France it didn't go up at all. It went up like 3%. Ours went up like 40-50%. Because they can control it, so it's kind of like, Can't tell when Boris is joking most of the time. He doesn't know what he's talking about, man. How can you have someone like that running a country when he went to fucking Eton? He has no idea how the other live. It's just fucking retarded. If you're a trader living in a country which country is weaker than the USD, then your money is a hedge against inflation now. So shit, it's actually been 8 o'clock. Interesting.
Did you see it? It was a huge spike. 2 pips or something.
You looking at it, Brian? You looking at these buys? Seeing the 5? Is anything nice in the 5? Oh, that doji was a bit of nasty. look at the 4 hour. 4 hour might flip. Yeah, just need to let GJ sort itself out. I'm still waiting for these cells below. When will the UK have a new Prime Minister? I think it's soon, isn't it? I blinked and missed the London Open volume. I think it's soon, but it's not going to really help anything, to be honest. 5th of September, someone said? Yeah. They both seem to be a bit of out of touch still, so... Yeah, I was saying before, I just look, if you get on a news channel right now, oh my god, news is the most boring thing. How do people in their life just watch this all day? I'd fucking go insane. They complained for 2 years about a medical COVID thing, and now they're complaining that there's no one has any money. Like, we fucking told you this was gonna happen. Oh no, but you wanted to save all the fucking grannies in the house. Well, this is the fucking comeback now. Now you can't afford to fucking feed your kids. SMP all the way. I think a lot of people in England now are just like, yeah, Scotland can just do their own thing. Doesn't really care too much now. Do 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 do. Right, let's have a little bit of discussion then. Manuel, have you got this 5 minute as well? This one here, or just the further one below?
I just got the further one below.
Yeah.
But the 5 minute looks good as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good rejection. Not looking too bad. I just love the difference between these couple of ones, man. And then like DC. DC was smashing it in June. Every impulse worked, and now there's just nothing. Let's take a look. Right, so a lot of people have become lazy and don't like to work, to be honest. Yeah, I suppose, but yeah, I suppose, but I mean, some people have a harder kind of, you know, what if you're a single parent, you've got to care for your kid as well, you're in a pretty shit situation. When I went to the UK, it is always news and documentary. It gave me the impression that British are very serious and learned. Trust me, a lot of people in England are fucking very dumb. What was our GCSE pass rate? UK average. Grade 5 plus pass rate is 60%. So it's high. Yeah. 70. It was 79% in 2021. That's when the COVID thing is.
Next South Africa's one, mate. You're gonna laugh your head off.
Really?
Bro, it's bad.
1 second. What's it called? That's the first thing. Is it? That's all right. NSC.
What was the question? What were you googling?
South Africa pass rate. I don't know what your thing's called. What's like the first level of like education that you do at school?
Well, it's not tertiary. It's just high school. What's the South African high school pass rate? High school pass rate.
76.4.
That's bad. I'll find it now.
See what I mean? The UK is fucking 60%. I'm sorry, but if you can't get a grade 5 in all of your subjects, what the fuck? What you gotta do is read a book for a fucking hour or two a night. That's what I can't fathom. Just fucking do the work, man. That's only a little bit of work. But it's all down to your living conditions when you're younger, and like, you know, who you live with, who you're surrounded by.
It was a year, I think it was just before COVID, that they dropped our pass rate to like 32%.
Oh no.
For matriculants. Oh, it was bad.
Liz Truss is from a council estate in Leeds. Interesting. Did you have a difficulty coping with academics since you have ADHD, or did it get easier when you grow older? For me, it was just a very... I think it's the person you are. You need to learn who the person you are. One of the books that I read before, I'm very much a red, right? I like to win. I don't like losing. So my whole thing for school was I just kind of want to beat my dad, because if I beat my dad, I'd be like, I beat my dad. Like, it's good shit. So that was my motivation, to be honest. Just wanted to beat my dad. So I didn't really need it. But as I can see in other people, if you have no motivation to do it, then what's the point? But I think a lot of people, when they get older, then they get the motivation to do it. They're like, you know what, I'm actually sick of living in this fucking shitty ass place and I've got no fucking money because I'm just working at one stop. But for some people it's too late, because then they can't afford to pay for it later on. So I just used, you know, if it's free, why don't you just fucking use it? I don't get it. I don't get that mentality. But I was also brought up very well, so it's kind of, you know, I don't have no shame on people who didn't do it. I just think I always got told, if it's free, why don't you just do the best you can do it, you know? To a certain extent, right? So when it came to A-levels, man, I wanted to have fun. I wanted to live a little as well. So that's when I didn't, you know, bash as much as I probably should have. But I don't regret anything. But I think a lot of regret comes from people not trying too hard at school. Just fucking do your best, man. It's free. People in fucking Africa are literally gagging for that shit.
Yeah, for sure.
So if it's free and you can just turn up and you have a good fun with your mates at school and you have a great time, and then, you know, you fuck around on the playground and stuff, why wouldn't you just do it? Good shit.
I think it's because a lot of people think that, oh, when I drop school and I go get a job, I can earn some money and do whatever I want. But that's because they don't know the reality of life yet.
Yeah.
You need to pay for stuff, and a lot.
Mm-hmm.
And that's when they realize, like you said, that's when they realize that the job they're doing is not going to get them anywhere. I mean, a lot of those underpaid jobs don't get you to the end of the month.
Yeah.
But as you said, by then it's too late. Or it's very hard to go back to school and start over again.
Yeah, I think it's the it's all that whole thing of like a lot of the kids at school that I remember who didn't really try. They're like, well, like, you know, my dad. It was always my dad got zero, you know, things at school, and now he's doing really well. And you go, yeah, fair enough. But what's the percentage chance? What's the probability of this working out every time? How many people dropped out of school and then made it successful, like really successful? It's a very low percentage. Whereas how many people finished school and got a good job, did successful after? Well, it's obviously clearly more. So it's just kind of, I always just say, it's just keeping your doors open, right? What's the point in closing doors when you don't need to? Don't need to close them. How old are you, mate? 22. What does the candle have to break the support down to go back up? Wait, why does the candle have to break the support down to go back up? What do you mean, why? Do you mean this GJ one when it came back down and then continued? That's just GJ for you right now.
Eventually.
Don't have to learn that. Just learn that right now price is moving garbage. I think you're saying, like, why did this candle here have to come all the way back down and then continue? So you probably got stopped out there, break even, then it continued. Well, it's just the way it's moving right now. Did they put you in a math school where you are competing for the lowest time to figure out a maths equation? Like, since most Chinese people are good at maths. No. I did something called Kumon, which was kind of like that, which was like outside of school. But in school it wasn't. No. You just had a test every, well, you did a test every single week. And that was quite good for me because I just wanted to do well. I wanted to beat people, so that was quite good. The competitive edge was the thing that helped me. If you got your results and no one really knew about it, and it was all kind of like swept away straight away, then I wouldn't really care that much. But because like you got your results, and then you look at your mate next year, and he's always called you dumb, and now you're in his set, and now you're fucking beating him. It's a nice feeling. So that's kind of what I got from. Because for the whole of school, I was in a shit-ass maths class. I was pretty much bottom, and all my mates that I used to hang around with were in top, and they used to always take the mick. So I'm like, right, I'm fucking coming for you, cunt.
Sounds good.
And I beat their asses. GCSE, I beat all of them. That was fucking sexy. That was a nice feeling. So it's just getting that fire. That fire for me is just, I wanted to beat people, man. Especially if they've been a bit of a cock to me, it makes you feel much better. So GJ just tapped the 4-hour flip again. Nerd badass payback. So Goldie's still continuing. The left hand side's a little bit oof. On the 15s here, look how many times this came up and they went nope. So see how it reacts up here on the 30. I studied with a guy who always took all 12 prizes on prize giving day, but helped me because I landed somewhere good by trying to beat him but failed. Yeah, exactly, man. Just put in that little extra bit of work. Yeah, Kumon, man. I'm putting my kids straight in Kumon when they're like fucking 3, man. I can't wait to do that shit. They're gonna fucking hate me. This shit. Let's take a look if we have like, yeah, look, this is what we had. So look, you start off, look, this is C's. This is a very like low grade. You start literally when you join, so you can start very, very young. And then look at what level is this? This is K. So this is much further down. So it starts A and then goes all the way down to like fucking, I don't know, R, Z, something like that. Well, this is the Chinese one, wow. And he literally did this every single day. So you had a sheet. Let's take a look and see, find one that was interesting. Yeah, like this. So you do this. So this was when I was probably like 12 or 13. So I was just doing surds all the time. Fractions we did for fucking ages. But you had like 4 of these sheets to do every single day. So, by the end of, a month, you're just fucking acing. You're just doing it all the time. Like this. Yeah, look at these fractions. So when it came to school, because what we did was in Kumon, you normally went a lot quicker in school, in Kumon than you did at school. So when it came to school and we were doing this, I was fucking bossing them out. And you're bashing them. So yeah, it helped me a lot. I'd definitely get my kids to do it. Max, can you please have a look at EJ? Yeah, EJ's continuing back up, which is good. Is it 30 closes in 7 minutes time? Yeah, it could be good if the 30 closes. What kind of test is that? Yeah, it's not a test, it's just at the end of the Oh, the 4 hours actually closed bullish above as well. Yeah, this is looking okay. I just mark some zones. Is that in the zone we're in right now? Yeah, I have to wait above 140. Yeah, it's right at 140 as well. Fuck playing there. GJ on the 5-minute looks good for a buy with London Open. It's just a random 5-minute candle breaking the highs. Yeah, it's finally broke above the 4 hour, which is good. I still want it above 220 for me. Exactly, Tommy. All change now. What are you thinking then, Mr. Bry?
I ain't fucking buying these odds. It scares me when you can't get in lower, you know what I mean?
Yeah. I love this though, like if someone was like back testing this, yeah, and they go, oh, this is a nice trade. You go, look at the 5-minute.
Let's talk tomorrow and the next day and the next day and the next day.
The 5-minute was ass. I'm just gonna wait for these sells later on, I think.
And it always looks better once it's played out, right? You got to make that choice long before that candle's even open.
Yeah. Oh yeah. So yeah, EJ's right at 140. Breaking the daily highs though, which is good to see. I just seen on the hourly though, we need to close above the support here. Oh yeah. Would you consider GJ buys if the 30-minute closed above previous res? It's got to close above 220 for me. There's 220, there's resistance here, there's support here, there's support here, so it's got to close above there. Five-minute head and shoulders. Oof. Yep. Very nice. Also, what we could have here is if this candle closes below like this, or maybe the next couple of candles, 1 second, gets a closure below this neckline here, then wicks back up to the trend line, taps here, flips. It's probably what I'd look for. Because that's a W? Oh no. Yeah.
Yeah, it could be. Yeah, there's a neckline, but it must close below it.
Yeah. Which it needs to anyway, because that's where the trend line is.
Let's see the 15. Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see. Looks good. Looks good, looks good. Would you get in on the retest or the flip max? The retest. Yeah, retest. I'd get in on the retest.
That's if that trend line fails, obviously.
Yeah. Oh yeah. And do it nice. I'm sick of that fucking shit in my ear.
I was about to say, it's putting me to sleep, man.
Yeah, especially with these charts. When's this new FIFA gonna come out? 1 second. 27. Daylight. Hello, Evie. If you guys haven't subscribed as well, make sure to subscribe. I know recently it's been boring, but we'll be back to normal soon. We'll be dancing. It'll be the fun stream again.
Our price must just move properly, man. That's the only thing.
Yeah. So long.
We can just send a rocket or something.
Yeah.
So I have a descending trend line, Max.
Yeah.
If these 5-minute candles close above it, it will close above your resistance area as well. It starts at 17:11:38.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you have the touch, the second touch at 08:67.
Yeah.
And then it's now coming close to the trend line again.
Yeah. What Redbone would sound if you used to know it is a great remix. What? Chocolate cake with Kool-Aid. You get the playlist ready for the chicks. Could I leave us only? You this say.
Han is like a repellent to chicks, mate.
Oh God, no! I don't want to.
You want chicks to disappear? Just invite Han.
Oh, I wouldn't stand for that.
Don't do it, Max. That wick's not big enough. 2.8. I'm seeing his face.
I'm watching DC because DC's in it. Stop there's alright.
Is he in it?
Got in on the retest there. Well, it wasn't really retesting anything, but the little wick.
Yeah.
See how it reacts at 200. Bum, bum. He bought his wife, can't take anything he says serious. Marcus Henson, greetings from South Africa. Greetings. There's a lot of South Africans here. Too many.
Yeah,
fucking everywhere.
This isn't big enough for all of you guys. Get out of here.
Where's fucking Jason, bro?
He's getting his license sorted out again.
Again.
Oh yeah, you did say he was going again, eh?
Yeah, he got a number after six hours of waiting.
So. Just kidding, I'm from Jersey. Oh, Jersey. I want to go to Jersey and Guernsey.
Guernsey.
Yeah, Guernsey. It's where my company's going to be made. I'm moving to Guernsey. 0% tax. Oh, DC's gonna be okay over here. I don't care if I get copyrighted, I fancy some nice tunes. On and on and on, man. Take it to the left of bone in. What a tune. Brian, what tunes do you like? You like my old ones, don't you? My 90s, like 80s, 90s ones. What else do you listen to?
I'm like a lover of all music, eh? Like whatever puts me in a zone when I'm like working, then I'll put on. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But yeah, most of the stuff you play, but then obviously some new stuff as well. What you're playing now is an old favorite.
Yeah.
Yeah, all types.
All of them. Conversate. First date, last date. Oh, DC is gonna be okay at this res. Someone says in EJ. Ooh, what, right now or even before? How is the support falling on the 15? Ah, yeah, shit as well. Nasty girl.
So DC went for that GJ.
Huh?
Did DC go for that GJ?
I need you to shake your little ass and hips. I need you to grind like you're working for tips and give me what I need while we listen to Prince. Cause miss you ain't
that'll be up 10 pips by now, but not in these conditions. You waiting for GJ or what? You taking GJ or waiting? It says buys above 220, so that's not there yet.
Sipping on Patron, speed and be leaning, got a fiend, don't stop. And when I get to you, throw it right back. And tell me, did he, yeah, I like it like that.
What is this volume, man? Fuck me. Nasty girl. Oh yeah, I got a. Do you know what I did? Oh my god. I've got like a coffee thing here, like a heater, so it keeps it. Yeah, it warms it up, right? But I put it on, and look, it's got a blue thing and a red one, right? So in my retarded head, well, I don't think it's retarded, but red for me means it's going to be hot, right? And I thought blue is going to be cold, right? Because blue's cold. So I had an iced latte and I wanted to keep it cold. Put that motherfucker on, and I touched the bottom of it. Oh! They fucking broke my fucking hands of just heat. Fucking blue means it's extra hot. It's fucking so hot. I was like, oh my god. And then she touched the bottom of it. Like, holy shit, that was fucking hot. That's stupid. Blue's meant to be cold. Like, what the fuck? I suppose very hot is blue, isn't it? Like a hot fire is blue. So.
Yeah, but still.
Still, they could have had like maybe a red button and then like a red, like 2 red rings. So sure, it's like double.
Yeah,
I told you to get one of those.
Yeah.
You get one of those when you still stayed at your folks.
Yeah.
You should start to buy stuff with written stuff and not colored.
Yeah.
Max thought it was a cooling button.
I did. That was an ice cold button. I was like, yes, my lattes are gonna be cool.
Lucky for you, it wasn't in a takeaway cup. Bloody thing would have caught fire.
You don't want to live in Guernsey full of donkeys. Oh my god. Notorious. Why is gold just not moving like at all? So the 15 goes bullish. 8 minutes left.
I got the 5 minute did, combining with the 1 hour. 5 minute came down and then rejected. Rejected. And then it was the hourly flip when it started to push up, and then it closed. And if you look at the 1 hour, it's pushing up. So it was the 1 hour flip.
Yeah. Nice little lower criminality, yeah.
She don't believe in shooting stars,
But she believes in shoes and cars.
wood floors in the new apartment. I'm more of the trips to Florida, ordered the hors d'oeuvres, views of the water, straight from a page of your favorite author.
And the weather's so breezy.
Man, why can't life always be this easy? She in the mirror,
5-minute break-in, 15 flipping, breaking the high of the previous. Go! How much did it stop speed there? 20 pips. Call, I know you love to show off.
But I never thought that you would take it this far. What do I know?
Is Ninja here?
I don't know, isn't he here?
I don't think so.
No. He's having a lie in.
Probably shampooing his hair.
Taking a week off, yeah. Should see a push now, just rang the banks.
I'm gonna bugger off here. Jesus.
You know what? Bugger off.
I'm gonna go. Weekend.
Just think enjoyable.
Potatoes that need to come out of the ground. It's gonna go below 0 one of these nights. So.
Oh wow! Wow, you got potatoes growing?
That's
Yeah.
sick.
That's sick.
Yeah.
Max likes to eat potatoes. But,
Oh, I do with truffle oil on them.
Oh yeah, boy.
Oh yes.
Get those out of the ground, get something done, because looking at these charts isn't motivating at all.
No.
So talk to you boys on Monday.
Easy, mate.
See you later on Monday, my man.
See you.
See you later, Vincent.
See you later, alligator.
I'm just picking straws here, but if you look at GJ on the 1H, right? Go to the left. You can see that's why I asked if Ninja was here, so that's fine. If you see this here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then you drop down to the 30.
There.
So then you got that.
Yeah. It's got to come up to it. Yeah.
So we could. It could be at a level that it could react off.
Mm-hmm.
But
Sure.
we won't get involved like that, you know what I mean?
Mhm.
Because what's that? That M is 30 pips.
Yeah. Oh yes.
Take a look at gold max.
Yeah, I'm looking for it. I mean, the 5 minutes closed above. The 15 is pushing up. It's got 4 minutes left though. Don't want to wait for the 15. Are you gonna go for it if it comes to it?
If it comes to the trend line, yes.
Yeah. Just look at the left. Yeah, it's closed above on the left as well. How much would stops be? There. How could you be so heartless?
No, my stop's not gonna be that big.
Smaller one, yeah.
Yeah, my stop's gonna be from here 98 points, so 9 pips.
There's things, but that's the old me.
Is DC okay?
Yeah, it's sitting.
Horrible, man. It's not even moving.
Cause we're far along this world, he longs for soul to a woman so heartless. Are you in, Manuel, here?
No.
No.
Oh, not yet.
Not yet, yeah. I'm watching it. Let's look at the 15. On the street so quiet at 3 a.m. on the phone. Why do she be so mad at me for? Homie, I don't know, she's hot and cold. I won't stop, won't miss my.
Yeah, my line, I don't know why. It's a little bit, I don't know. No, I understand. Never mind.
In the night, I hear him talk. We're barren on this road. It's called Heartless. How could you be so heartless? Your trend line's slightly lower. Let's take a look. Maybe mine might be off then. Maybe a little bit lower here. There we go. And that makes sense because it's further to here, yeah. I know you can be lit. Story ever told. We're barren.
Come on,
Gold.
give a retest, bitch.
I think that's it. See.
Might get it in the next 15.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Still not retested. So.
How could you be so hard? I'm gonna wait for the 15. There's a minute left. If it doesn't close above, I'm gonna be a little bit scared. So I'm just gonna wait for this 15 to close above.
If that 5-minute retests, that 15-minute will probably close below the res.
Yeah. That's why I'm waiting.
Yeah, no, the 5 minute took too long.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's 50 seconds left. Oh, already had this song. $20 seconds left. Oh, it's not gonna close above. Do 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 do. I wanna love ya. Oh. Pretty close. Share the shelter. Do, do, do. So 15 has to make a lower wick first. You still gonna go for it, Manuel?
Yeah, 15 lower wick.
Yeah.
Because the 5 minute closed bearish, but closed above the trend line.
Is your trend line
this
here?
one has. Sorry?
Is your
Yeah.
trend? Yeah, I thought it was.
Yeah.
I think maybe come and
I wa-
retest here first.
I want to retest the 0330 ish, more or less. 0320.
Yeah. No! Stay,
Is that over?
Goldie. Do, 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 do. Roof right over our heads. We'll share a shelter.
I agree with Vincent when he said that gold will push down because of the news at the Fed. But we are talking about NFP, and NFP is news that pushes gold up and then down.
Then down, yeah.
So and they expect they had 523k or what the hell it was in positive numbers, and they expect 300 and something thousand this time.
Mhm.
So it's fairly low comparing with the numbers that they have. So if it's really the numbers that they get, gold will push up before it starts going down again, as Vincent said, because of the Fed news.
Yeah.
And then we can get the retest at the an untested area, which is 1709.
Mm-hmm. If it breaks that high, it's probably gonna go. To look at the 15s, that 15 high as well. Yeah. Every day and every night. Shelter.
You doing sim today, Max?
Yeah, boy.
What time?
9:45. 9:45. Oh yeah. Breaking up. I wanna jam it with you.
We're jamming, jamming, and I hope you like jamming too. Ain't no rules, ain't no vow, we can do it anyhow. I and I will see you through. 'Cause every day we pay the price, we're the living sacrifice. Jamming till the jam is through. We're jamming.
Thing at the best. Who's doing the impulse? The minute. Looking like it's gonna go, maybe. So that would have worked, the test here. But it was the 15 lower work though.
Yeah.
So if you're going on the break at the high, stop loss, like, yeah, 40.
And if it goes, you can easily go to 05, 06.
Yeah.
06, 33.
Oh yeah.
Brian is very silent. He took it.
No, I'm touching.
No.
I've only taken that GJ short this morning.
You in this gold, Max? Nah, man. I just want to watch it a little bit longer over here. The 15 didn't really close the strongest, so I'm just a bit cautious of it.
The 5 minute looks like it's creating that double top, so it's could be Dodge City.
GJ. Yeah, it's still got a while, but 8 minutes left, we'll see. I wanna love it with you. GJ buy or not? I think a buy above 220 is gonna be great, but not now.
Someone is suffering from FOMO syndrome.
Come on, 1 minute. Push boy for people in. 5. Get going. Rocket. So where would the targets be? We haven't got our energy, but still it's good to go for it. Targets would be... Yeah. Yeah. now. Yeah, GJ's still struggling, man. Well, you gonna go? So let's see you got in on after that reflip. And you could even rock a stopper there, really. 6 pips.
No, yeah, now it's retested, so you're not expecting that it should go
come
down
back.
again.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So this is a GPTP1 there. I love your jam, man. Is putting me in the moods, even though the charts are cack.
The charts are cack.
Yeah, we'll see if GJ can close as well. One minute looks good. 5:15 looks good. 5. Just needs to push now. The volume recently hasn't been the best on Goldie, I'd say.
No, it's very, very fucking slow.
Yeah. Chartedix doing a 24-hour stream, 5 hours left for charity. Oh, wow, nice.
That's what I watched last night.
Ah, yeah.
Roger gave him a 10,000 euro account.
Yeah, I think I saw that. Wow, that's cool. Could you be loved? Oh, good GJ. Wonder if DC closed, he probably got break even. So gold, another 5-minute bullish closure, so it should be okay. Just very, very slow. This should be a TP already, really, now. Reggae. Say something, reggae. My res got tapped 1704. Ooh. So let's just go through this morning's session. So 8 o'clock started. Horrendous stuff there. People who got in the buys for the support forming would have had a little bit of a trouble. And now it's just relaxing. So nothing too much. Gold, was there any other entries? For the buys. Yeah, that one there was decent, wasn't it? Break even on EJ took 30-minute flip. Nice. So Manu got better with just putting one guy on the bench. Which is the one guy. Maguire? Ah, nice Tommy boy. Sipping that whiskey.
Buys were nice on the 15 minutes at 6:30 this morning.
Yeah.
Because you had a trend
nice.
line on the 5 minutes and it broke. You had one candle that broke below it, and then the other one broke above it again. And if you had a look at the 15 minutes, they never broke below the trend line.
Yeah.
And you could have taken one that broke the high.
And the 15 closed above as well, anyway. It goes above res. Yeah.
Yeah.
Not a thing. Gonna be alright. Fucking hell, this gold is not.
The only thing I don't like about gold, if you look at the 15, and obviously something we've been paying attention to, is there's an imbalance.
Yeah.
There's no wicks, right?
Yeah.
Which it's now tapping. So it could react.
Yeah.
could. I don't want to scare anybody out of their positions or anything.
Makes sense. See it.
If you have back tested the trend line strategy already, then you know if one 5-minute candle closes below it, you just get out of it.
Yeah.
Even if you are far away from your stop loss, you just get out of it, because you know by previous setups it's gonna go down. It's not gonna respect the, well, in this case, bullish trend or bullish momentum.
Yeah. Oh yes.
But if you got in the retest, you'd be up. You had 10 pips.
Yeah.
And that's not much. That's not a big move. You'd expect this already to move. Oh, it's past 20 minutes already since the retest, so, or 15.
Yeah, it should be.
And it's not moved 10 pips, so I think it's really waiting for an FP now.
2 minutes left for the hourly as well. So if you are in a trade and get out of break even, probably the best, because the hourly is going to open, could make a little wick. When is NFP? To look at FOREX Factory. 1 second. Dancing Queen. 1:30. 1:30 today. So 17 seconds left for this hourly. Right now. And there we go. Couldn't continue. So yeah, the retest of the trend line worked. We would have got 10 pips, but apart from that, nothing much else. 50 minute GJ just closed bearish. Interesting.
Really?
Very interesting. 5-minute close below as well.
Wouldn't it be a closure back into the zone?
Yeah, it would be if there was nice volume. And yeah, it's faked out the Asian, so it looks okay. I mean, stop loss would be 13 pips.
If you target the daily flip.
Yeah. It could be okay. What do you think about that, Bri?
Sorry?
So it's a closure back below Asian range.
Yeah, fair. It's a good play.
30 minutes close below as well.
Just in shitty times, but yeah, you gotta have confidence in the players, right?
Yeah.
So.
Stop loss would be, yeah, like 14 pips. I like it, especially with the top wick of the hourly.
I went for that short, low risk on gold in that imbalance.
Yeah.
20 pips.
Nice.
So just doing it more, just to get more ways. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Look, yeah, it's funny actually. A lot of the 5 minute, even if you get in the 5 minute and it doesn't work out, if you just take the opposite trade straight after, you get it back.
100%, 100%, man, 100%. Weird.
I'm gonna go for this GJ, mate.
If it flips.
Yeah.
I just want to quickly journal this.
Just making a nice top wick of the hourly as well. As long as it doesn't break the previous high. The more it comes up, the better for me. to the rescue.
Did you take the gold on the 5-minute flip, Brian?
No. As it tapped into that fair value gap, 17.04,576, like
Yeah.
to the wick.
Yeah.
Just to see the outcome. Like, I don't trade a demo or whatever. I'd rather just low risk it and see the outcome. You know what I mean?
Yeah. That was a very nice entry.
Yeah, these types of entries, like Ninja and Vincent, they wanted to pass like 50% of the area.
Yeah.
But the risk on that box was 13 pips. You know what I mean? So kind of like how I look at it Nas, I'll take that risk. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Quickly check
Sun
GJ.
shining and the weather is sweet.
So 30 celery, but it's just a long wick.
Yeah, I
What is-
like the long. It's not a celery because the
Top wick.
Yeah, it's got a top wick.
Yeah.
But I like the top wick here because when it comes back to this res and rejects, it's really rejecting these highs and should fill this zone up.
I think I've asked it probably like 100 times. I don't actually really get the celery. Must it have no wicks?
So
It's not. It looks really nice because the 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes do not have a bottom wick.
Bottom wick.
15 minutes and 30 minutes, both of the candles closed and left a small wick. So I like it a lot. Like a lot.
No, I'm supposed to you. So still 11 minutes left of this candle, so still a long time. I'll delete the sell stops if we break above that high. Also clean candles to the left as well, so yeah, it'd be nice. Be the same. Break even will be at 162. Me stronger.
You are a bit of an old scholar with your music, eh?
Yeah.
Was it a music your dad listened to, or how come you enjoy it?
I think a bit. Yeah, I think my mom and dad both like it as well. But I don't know. I just like I don't know.
Fucking club bangers, though.
It's because like the way I dance is like 2-stepping, and that's what the beats per minute is what it is. Like all these songs. Like this 1 2 1 2 1 2.
Yeah.
It's fucking good shit.
Every retard can get a 2-step right. You know what
Ah, no, not like me.
That's all good.
I fucking love that tune. And like this one, like, we play this one a lot. Like 1 2 1. I fucking love this tune, man. This tune's such a fucking banger.
But this is an OG song, man.
Yeah, but a lot of people my age would
I love it. Sick.
a lot of them would actually know it because it's just in the clubs all the time. There's loads of nights like this in Newcastle. I don't go at any clubs where everyone's trying to fucking flex and they're just a bunch of fucking gimps on a table, man. I'm in the fucking sweat dance, raving at the front the whole time. A lot of my friends don't really like this. They like just sitting in the smokers area, just talking to people. I couldn't be asked talking to people. Fuck that shit. I just want to boogie. I like to party. So even if you've got a closure on this one here, that anyway, it's still going to be quite hard because there's support there and there. So I think this one below is going to be much nicer. Or below 1700, yeah. You got to let yourself no, no. You got to let yourself no. Oh, look who we have over here. He's on the gold and he's got a trend line on the 30 minute. He's eyeing it up. You got to let yourself
that?
Champion Pips. Good lad, actually. He's very nice.
So many streamers there.
Yeah. I like to party when NFP start the weekend. Well, I'll play this next song, right? This next song will get you ready for the weekend as well. I fucking love this song. Where is it? This one here.
Yeah, that's also old flat banger.
I can't wait.
It's been a long week, eh? Fuck.
I've been fucking 4%. I feel alright, but yeah, it's been fucking shit. Those two gold
Racing
chains were
just consumed me.
Yeah. So as the time goes down, guys. So as the time goes down, the probability of this working out decreases, right? Because what I really wanted was this candle here to make a top wick and then flip and continue. So the less time there is for that to happen, the probability it's going to happen is very, very slim. So when it gets very low, it's like 2 minutes left, I'm going to delete my sell stop. And all I've got to do is hope that price can close something like this. And then that'll be the celery. Yeah. This one will open. Sorry, hang on. This one will open. Make a little top wick and go. Pew. I seen it on my song. In this control, I said today. Look at the 5. 5's looking like they're making some support. We'll see how it reacts at the 200 level again. NFP starts at 1:30 UK time today. I can't wait for the weekend.
What are you doing this weekend?
I'm going back to Newcastle again.
Is it back on?
Yeah, I'm going to a Newcastle match on Saturday. Probably have a counsellor on one of the days as well, and yeah, see some friends as well on Sunday. Maybe Saturday night. Nothing too much, but that's nice. So 3 minutes left. When it gets to about 2, then I'll probably just delete my sell stop and wait for this closure. God, the volume just isn't here, is it?
Fucking shit.
It's just not here.
Jesus.
I know though, when times come back where some nice clean trades, man, it's gonna feel like a blessing. Like, oh my god, it's actually running to TP and 0 drawdown.
This is the time that you should be educating more and more and more and more and more and more and more.
Yeah.
Because you've got the time, right?
Yeah, boy.
So for everyone watching, this is when you should be looking at other ways and new things. Mm-hmm. But don't just fucking send it after the second trial run.
Yeah. Would you consider buys if we close above? Not with this hourly having no lower wick, and the hourly didn't close above. No. The hourly, you know, this candle here, right? This candle there had a full hour to close above this res and didn't do it. So clearly something going on up here. Oh, Sicker, I'm gonna deep myself up now and wait for this closure. I'm a different person. Right, get rid of that. London has been a bit dead recently. Yeah, man. I think
That's not bad.
yeah. Yeah, what are you doing on the weekend, Bri?
Just going to mates, have a couple of beers, do some cooking.
Cooking!
We cook like every weekend, like proper. We get
Your chefness in and stuff, yeah?
have a big jaw.
I like that.
Mates of mine are back from they work offshore, so when they all get back home, then we all get together.
You and I know, baby. Brian, you reckon the Box will win in Sydney?
Nah.
BOKS.
Nah.
No.
Nah. Not how they've been playing.
Carp fishing, wow. Carp isn't fishing. Mudfish. The best you're gonna get in the UK.
Yeah, exactly.
I hope everyone gets out of all their trades by 1 PM afternoon because NFP are gonna kill your trades.
No, they're not. We're gonna own NFP today, boy. Don't you worry.
Turn my world around. So, 15 closed, not above, in a barcode. So yeah, I'm going to sack off this session now, guys, I think. Nothing really. I mean, we tried that gold, looked at it, and the retest entry would have given you 10 pips, which is nice, but we wanted to wait for the 15 closure for me, personally. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for coming on. Time will get better. This is the time to educate yourself, look more into the psychology side of it, maybe the fundamental side of it. And just sit back, man. As long as your account's still got your capital in and you're not blowing it, just chill out. So thank you so much for coming on, guys, and I'll see you guys later, man. Peace out, squad.
See you guys later.
See you later, guys. See you guys.
Thank you, Brett.
Peace out, squad.
Ciao, 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 ciao.
See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming back on. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, man. Oh, not tomorrow, Monday, yeah? See you guys Monday. Hopefully for a little better price action.